Hi guys, this is Umu and welcome back to Kadi Recipes. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the most requested recipe in this channel. I've done it many times in this channel, but people keep asking me, how do you make the Senegalese rice? Some people call it Tchep. In Guinea, we call it Riz Gras. In Ivory Coast, also Côte d'Ivoire, they call it Riz Gras. There's so many names. In Nigeria, they call it Jollof Rice. So there's many ways to make this rice. Just rice with the fish and cook in the tomato sauce or something like that. So please guys, if you like my videos, please press the button, like the like button now. So this is the recipe we are going to see today, so stay tuned for this. So I have here 2.5 kilogram of rice. I use broken jasmine rice. 1 kilogram of fish of your choice, 200 gram of tomato paste, 1 green bell pepper, 4 tomatoes, 2 onions. You can also add some green onions, 1 head of garlic, parsley and basil leaf, few hot peppers to your taste. For the vegetable, choose what you like. I have here potatoes, sweet potatoes, cabbage, carrots, green beans. For the spices, I'm going to add black pepper, ginger, curry powder, paprika, chili powder, bay leaf. I will add dry thyme and rosemary leaf. You can also add soumbara powder. I use it in this recipe. Add it if you have, and any bouillon or seasoning you like. You also need 500 milliliters of oil. For the sorrel sauce, we need sorrel leaf, fresh okra and hot peppers. You can steam cook the rice first if you like, but for me, I'm just going to cover the rice with hot water and salt and let this sit for 30 minutes. For the fish, you can make a small marinade and insert in the fish, but I'm just going to add salt, pepper, seasoning and mix well. Now, heat the oil and deep fry the fish and set aside. In a food processor, add the onion, garlic, parsley, basil leaf, hot peppers with green pepper, and mix all together. For the carrots, you can add them whole or cut them small. For me, I will cut them small with the green beans and add in so that my kid can eat them easily. Now, mash the tomatoes with a bit of water and add the tomato paste. In a large pot, heat the oil and 2/3 of the onion mixture. Stir fry for a few minutes. Then add all the spices. I like to keep 1 bouillon cube for the soup. Add the tomatoes and mix well. Now add all the vegetables. Start with the carrots and green beans. Fry for a few minutes. Then add the remaining vegetables like the cabbage, the potatoes, the sweet potatoes, and the hot pepper. Sprinkle with salt and cover for a few minutes. Then stir well and add 2 cups of water to let the vegetable cook well. Once the vegetables are cooked, remove them all. Add the fried fish and cook for 5 minutes. Then remove a small amount of the tomato sauce for the sorrel sauce we will make later on. Now cover the tomato sauce with water. For this broken jasmine rice, for 1 kilogram of rice, I use 2 liters of water, but it all depends on the type of rice you are using. Add the remaining onion mixture. Add the cube if you like, and salt to your taste. Bring the soup to a boil. Meanwhile, wash the rice few times until the water is completely clear. Then add in the boiling soup. Mix well. Cover and let it cook. After 15 minutes, flip the rice and reduce the heat on low. Cover and let the rice cook completely. Now we are going to make the sorrel sauce. In a small saucepan, add the okras, the hot peppers, the sorrel leaf with water and cook. Then use a blender or a mortar and pestle to blend all together. Add some bouillon cube, the tomato sauce we kept in the beginning, and salt to your taste. Mix well and set aside. Now serve your delicious rice with vegetables and sorrel sauce. Enjoy! And guys, please don't forget to like and share this recipe. Have a nice day.